beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you a remedy that will help you to get rid of wrinkles and old looking hands. Now the thing is that some people tend to experience their hands getting really dry, really strong, and actually very dark than your whole body. So this remedy is just going to help you to soften your hands, lighten your hand, and also glow your hands so that your hands can all match with the rest of your body, and it's gonna be really unique and really beautiful. So let's dive into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And first ingredient we're going to be making use of will be yogurt. Now yogurt helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Yogurt is a great moisturizer to the skin. It boosts the skin complexion. It also rejuvenates the skin. It reduces dark circles, treats infections, and it also fades blemishes and pigmentations. It's going to help you, get a fresher and a more younger hands and fingers. Now the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be tomato. Tomato is a great remedy that glows the skin, prevents signs of aging. It's a perfect astringent property that acts as a stress reliever. It fights cellulite. It helps to leave your skin looking really young, and it's also a remedy that helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles from your hands. And we're going to be needing Fuller's Earth clay powder. This is a natural clay powder that works wonders in polishing up your skin. It absorbs excessive oil from the skin, and it helps to rejuvenate the skin. It also helps to tighten up the large and open pores. Using it alongside with yogurt would help you to leave your hands looking younger, supple, and smooth. And then we're going to be making use of egg. Now egg is excellent in renewing your skin. It works as an astringent and as antibacterial property that helps to revive the dullness and the dryness of your skin. It makes your skin look really supple and soft. It leaves your skin really glowing because it tightens up the pores, and it will also help to leave your hands looking young. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the tomato. And then we're going to blend it. So I'm going to be taking 2 tablespoons of that. Two tablespoons of yogurt as well. Then we're going to give this a mix. We'll have to be breaking in the egg whites, just the whites. And then we're going to be putting half tablespoon of Fuller's Earth clay powder. So we're going to be mixing this all up and mixing it properly. Alright, so this is properly mixed. Like, this is a great mixer. It's properly mixed. So you're going to be needing a brush, and then you're going to be applying this all over your hands, okay, with a brush, or you can as well just apply it with your hands, okay. But you have to make sure to apply at this area also. Then you would use your left hand to apply it to your right hands, because most times I notice that some people, their right hands are usually darker than the left hand. Sometimes it might be because of house chores like washing, cooking, and all of that stuff, you know, washing the dishes. That's for those who does not have dishwasher, okay. So you apply it everywhere. Now after applying it, then you would have to give it a scrub. You would scrub it in a circular motion, okay. You scrub in a circular motion. Now after that, you would have to scrub your left hand also. Okay, circular motion will be fine. Okay, do not forget to scrub your palm, because you would also need your palm to be super duper soft. Okay, so after you've done that, guys, you would have to scrub everywhere. Scrub everywhere, just like I'm doing. Okay guys, so for this treatment to be very, very effective, you would have to use it for like 1 week, 5 days to 1 week, okay. And you can store this, but because of the egg, it's gonna smell. For 2 days storage is okay. That's why when you want to make, you would have to make the one that would be perfect for just 2 days consumption, okay. Now these things are natural. You have to be consistent, and it's also going to help to remove the dead skin cells on your hands, and your hand is going to be looking really, really soft. Let me go wash my hand and show you the difference. Alright, so now you would have to be washing it off with a cool water. Alright, look at how supple and soft my hand is. I actually do not have any dark knuckles, okay. It's really, really soft. Like, you need to feel my hands, my palm right now. So soft. Using this consistently would help you to lighten up your hands, remove the wrinkles, and remove the dryness. And you would always have to moisturize after you use this remedy, you know, because your hands needs to be moisturized. Like, I moisturize my hand 2 times in the day, obviously in the morning and in the night. When I am, even if I don't want to apply cream on my body, I just apply cream on my hands, and my hand stays hydrated, okay. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.